Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's July 15th, 2025, and it's almost 9 a.m. It's 73 degrees. It's a little bit breezy. The sky is blue. See one cloud over there. Way over there. And here's Edith in our mud hole. Looking over here, we have a hawk just landed on top of the pole. Yeah, he just flew over there on those trees. He just moved from one tree to the other. There he is. Harold's out here enjoying the sunshine, waiting for his breakfast. Oh, Harold. Why you put your water dish over there where I can't reach it, huh? That's not good. Dang pig. I had to get this piece of conduit so I could reach into Harold's pen and get his water dish. He keeps pushing it all over the place. And I don't want to climb over the fence. His next pen will have a gate so I can open it up and walk in. So everyone's taken care of for right now. Be down later to check on them. What? One mud hole's not good enough for you? So you gotta make another one? Dang pig. Yep, that's from her pouring all the waters out. Over and over and over. Seem to be all happy animals.